If you're changing out your gear oil anytime soon, it might be a good idea to pick up a specialty pump like this. They're easy to use, and I got this off of Amazon, so it got here to my house pretty quick. So in this video, I'm going to test it out and see how well it works. All you gotta do is take the gear oil you need, pour it into the bottle, and close it up, and it's good to go. The great thing I like about this is I don't have to worry about buying the wrong pump if it will fit into the bottle I need, like this. As you can see, the pump doesn't fit the bottle, so I don't waste any money on these types of products. And also, I only need to use one hand instead of two hands to do this oil change, which makes the job much more easier. As you can see, one hand to pump, fluid flows very easily, no problem. And there's no leaks coming out the bottle, which is really good. So I'm liking that. Alright, so job's done. The oil is starting to level out. This is much better than last time when I had to use the bottle to pump in the fluid. This job was done in about 1 hour instead of 2 hours like last time. So there you go. Now you got something you can use for your next gear oil change. And if you need to pick up a bottle like this because there's none in your area, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Hope that helps.